truly uncovering astounding insights into a potentially viable exoplanet. It accompanies us as we set out on a journey through space to unveil the secrets of Proxima b and determine if it could be the next Earth. We ought to take off into the vast neighborhood of space, where a mysterious planet exists in the habitable zone of its star, Proxima Centauri. This planet is not just any standard rock. It's Proxima b, found a mere 4.2 light-years from us. This planet is shrouded in secrets and wonders. Could it be another Earth, with oceans and life thriving on its surface? Yet wait, there's more. Proxima Centauri b is not alone in its orbit around the red dwarf star. It has a companion, Proxima Centauri c. Who knows what other hidden secrets the star system holds? Perhaps there's another companion that we have yet to discover. The mysteries don't stop there. Proxima Centauri receives a comparable amount of energy from its star as Earth does from the Sun. Could this mean there's water on its surface, and maybe life as we know it? Beyond our solar system, we discover a whole new universe of exoplanets, planets that orbit stars other than the Sun. With 200 billion stars in the galaxy, the potential for exoplanets is endless. Some exoplanets even wander erratically, untethered to any star, like wandering explorers in space. Among them all, Proxima Centauri b stands out as a particularly striking and captivating planet. With a year that lasts only 112 Earth days, and a distance from its star much closer than Earth's is to the Sun, one side of the planet is constantly bathed in light, while the other remains in perpetual darkness. Now let's talk about Proxima Centauri, the star that Proxima b orbits. Proxima Centauri is part of the Alpha Centauri triple star system. This system includes Rigil Kentaurus, also known as Alpha Centauri A, and Alpha Centauri b together. These stars form the closest star system to our solar system. The two stars, Rigil Kentaurus and Alpha Centauri b, form a binary system known as Alpha Centauri AB. These G and K-type stars appear as a single star in the constellation Centaurus and are the third brightest stars in our night sky, with a peak brightness of less than 2.7. Proxima Centauri, also known as Alpha Centauri c, is a red dwarf or M-type star located 0.21 light-years from the other two stars, about the same distance as Earth is from the Sun. It is the closest star to us. The name Proxima Centauri means nearest star in Latin. Discovered in 1915 by Scottish astronomer Robert Innes, Proxima, despite being our closest stellar neighbor, is not visible to the unaided eye. It has an apparent magnitude of 11.13, much fainter than what the naked eye can see, which is around a magnitude of 6.5. However, don't let that fool you. Proxima Centauri is still a star worth studying. Red dwarfs like Proxima Centauri are among the most efficient in terms of energy production. They may not produce much energy, but the internal convection processes at their cores keep them shining for trillions of years. In fact, Proxima Centauri will remain a main sequence star for another 4 trillion years. However, the habitability of a red dwarf star like Proxima Centauri is still under scrutiny. For one thing, it's a flare star, meaning it has frequent and intense outbursts. As a low-mass star, its habitable zone would be much closer to it than the Sun's habitable zone, estimated to be somewhere between 0.23 and 54 cents. Yet, it's not as hospitable as it seems. Proxima b is bombarded by extreme ultraviolet radiation from its star, which is usually stronger than the radiation we receive from our Sun. In fact, it's so intense that even the lightest particles of hydrogen are stripped away, along with nitrogen and oxygen. But that's not all. Just because a planet is at the right distance from its star doesn't mean it can support life. Proxima b might not have a stable atmosphere, which is essential for regulating temperature and maintaining a water-friendly surface. Without it, living organisms would be vulnerable to harsh space weather, making life extremely challenging. Therefore, while Proxima b may appear Earth-like on the surface, it is far from being able to support life. Scientists remain cautiously optimistic as numerous factors make it inhospitable. The mission to uncover the truth about Proxima b continues. Some people still hold hope. One instrument that has caught the attention of astronomers is the James Webb Telescope. After years of anticipation, the telescope was finally launched in 2018 and will help us determine whether there is life on Proxima b. As with everything in science, things are rarely as straightforward as they seem. Adjustments were needed to ensure that the James Webb Telescope delivered accurate images. Avi Loeb, a theoretical physicist at Harvard, explained that if a planet like Proxima b can absorb light from its star, it can also emit it as infrared light. The James Webb Telescope was specifically designed to detect infrared light. It can capture images of this light on the planet's surface and look for patterns that could indicate the presence of water or an atmosphere. However, what if the planet has an atmosphere that is not conducive to life? The presence of an atmosphere does not guarantee the presence of life, warns Ed Turner, an astrophysicist at Princeton University. Proxima b could be like Venus, with a thick atmosphere that is much denser than Earth's, an intense pressure that would make it impossible for life to exist. The journey to uncover the secrets of Proxima b is not without its challenges. While the James Webb Telescope shows promise, there are many factors to consider. With costs mounting, astronomers are under pressure to find ways to study planets like Proxima b. There's a lot at stake, but the rewards are even greater. The opportunity to explore the unknown, to uncover the hidden secrets of a distant planet that holds the promise of life, is a motivation worth pursuing. If the exoplanet were habitable, could we one day visit it? It's the closest exoplanet to us, which makes it all the more exciting, almost like exploring our vast backyard. Even more fascinating is that it's roughly the same size as Earth, and its position in the habitable zone suggests it could indeed harbor life. Conditions sensible perpetually, Proxima b's proximity furthermore makes it an ideal goal for our journey forever. Past Earth, with it being so close, there are extraordinary opportunities for interstellar missions. Imagine researching this world like an exoplanet. Notwithstanding the reality that we can't yet go there, it's irrefutably on the radar for future missions. As development advances, it may be one of the most thrilling undertakings in the field of space exploration. However, it's no simple task. It would require 75,000 years for space vehicles like Pioneer 2 to arrive at the Proxima Centauri system. Anyway, a response has been proposed: sun-powered sails. These very petite sails could be used to drive a rocket to the Alpha Centauri system and Proxima b. This advancement uses sunlight pressure to keep the spacecraft on course, eliminating the issue of running out of fuel. Moreover, here's something essentially cooler. This cutting-edge technology could provide insights into the possibility of life on various planets like Proxima b. Yet, as with any ambitious undertaking, there are obstacles. For example, the presence of an atmosphere doesn't necessarily guarantee the presence of life. Proxima b could be like Venus, with a thick, hot atmosphere that is unsuitable for life. Besides, get this, the James Webb Telescope can detect such illumination if it reaches a brightness of just 5% of the daytime side. Now, 5% may not seem like much, but when dealing with a star that is mostly dimmer than our own sun, it's very significant. Assuming Proxima b has an advanced human civilization illuminating its surface, they might be using marvelous orbital mirrors to reflect light from the day side to the night side. How cool is that? There are numerous exoplanets waiting to be discovered in our universe. These planets come in all shapes and sizes, with some being massive gas giants while others resemble our own Earth. Nevertheless, what do we know about them? One type of exoplanet that has captured the attention of space scientists is the gas giant. These planets are similar in composition to Jupiter and Saturn, but are significantly larger. Many of these behemoths have been named super-Jupiters, overshadowing even the largest planet in our solar system. However, that isn't all. There are also hot Jupiters, gas giants that orbit very close to their host star, existing in a scorching environment with temperatures that could melt metal. Imagine seeing such a planet up close, with its raging storms and incredible energy. Not only gas giants, but there are also Neptunian exoplanets, which have sizes similar to Uranus and Neptune. Among these are hot Neptunes and smaller Neptunes, which are more modest and closer to their host stars than their gas giant cousins. These planets are often shrouded in mystery, with their atmospheres being hard to study from afar. Furthermore, we should not dismiss the terrestrial exoplanets, which resemble our own Earth. These planets come in various sizes, ranging from smaller than our world to twice its size. There are also super-Earths, which have masses greater than twice that of our planet, but are lighter than Neptune. One of the most fascinating exoplanets discovered recently is Proxima Centauri b, which orbits the star of the same name. Proxima Centauri c, found using pre-existing super data from the Hubble Space Telescope, adds another layer of interest to the Alpha Centauri system. This planet is much farther from its star than Proxima b, with an orbital period of around 5 Earth years. Proxima c is particularly intriguing because it seems to reflect significantly more light than expected.